Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volkswagen Jetta oil light. This guide will walk you through two common methods to turn off that pesky service reminder after an oil change. We'll cover the accelerator pedal technique and the service button approach, ensuring you can handle this task yourself. It's a simple process that saves you a trip to the mechanic, keeping your Jetta running smoothly. First, let's try the accelerator pedal method, which is quite common. Get into your Jetta and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, release the pedal, turn the ignition off, and then restart your engine to see if the light has reset. Another effective method involves using your Jetta's service or trip reset button. Begin by ensuring your ignition is completely off. Locate and press the trip reset button, holding it down firmly. While still holding the button, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Continue holding the button for approximately 10 seconds, then release it. The oil light should now be reset. Before attempting any reset, always make sure your oil change is actually complete. If these methods don't work, your owner's manual is an excellent resource for model-specific instructions. If the oil light remains on after trying these steps, it could indicate a more serious issue. In that case, it's best to have your Volkswagen Jetta inspected by a qualified mechanic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.